Okay, this is my automatic transfer switch setup. The Generac system is just this here, and then the casing. I took out the Nexus system that used to be in here, and I added this module to control everything, and then these three relays. So what happens is in a case of a power outage, utility is lost. This goes to ground, 12 volts, and then this item here, this one here is from the generator. And you can see I've labeled all these in the back, and all of them are shrink tube with labeling as well. But this contact, or this relay here, will turn on that it sees 220 volts from the generator, and then this will auto transfer. So this device will tell these three relays what to do based on what they're doing. And so when this loses power, it says, hey, I've lost power. The generator comes on. This relay turns on the generator. This relay turns on the generator once this sees 220. So once this sees 220, it says okay, and then this guy says okay, we're good to switch over. I see 220 from this guy, and the brain's doing all that, and then it comes over and it switches it. These run 120 volts, and then you have these are 220 or 240, however you want to say it, but they always have like a steady 120 on them at all times, and then you're only giving them 120 additional to create the 240. So that way it constantly will switch over easily without arcing. It keeps arc flash down. You're still going to get a little bit of arc flash in here. I've never seen anybody show the arc flash in their videos, but there is some still because you're switching a high amount of current at one time. But it's really cool setup. This whole module, so you can see utility right now, 120 volts, and I can go through the thing. So utility is 59 hertz, and then my generator is at 122 right now. I've got it running, and then it's running at 63 hertz. And then this is in manual mode because I'm just testing the generator, make sure everything's working, and just starting that. The cool thing about this is that this whole module is completely programmable, and then I've got another one of these on the generator itself. It's just a portable generator, but I've got another one of these on there, and it controls the generator, and they talk to each other. It's a really cool setup. It took quite a while to get this all figured out. There's not much information on them, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions.